Students, in previous class, I had started exercise 1.3 and 1 to 4 number have been solved. So I am going to solve question number 5. In question number 5, you have to fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. खाली जगहों को भरो. 1 number question is 55 divided by what number to get -11. Here we let 55 divided by x is equal to -11. We put x in the blank. Let 55 divided by x is equal to -11. Yeah, 55 by x is equal to -11. Yeah, x into -11 is equal to 55. Yeah, x is equal to 55 by -11 is equal to -5. So, hence the required division, division is equal to -5. Second number, 3 number of question 5. In 3 number 16 divided by -4 3 number question dash divided by 4 is equal to -8. Here divisor is 4 and quotient is -8. Let dividend be x. Dividend be x. So x divided by 4 let x divided by 4 is equal to -8. Yeah, x by 4 is equal to -8. Yeah, x is equal to -8 into 4 is equal to -32. Hence the required dividend is equal to -32. Similarly, you will fill in the blanks. In question number 6, I am going to solve question number 6. It decreases at the rate of 2 degrees C per hour until midnight. At what time would the temperature be 8 degrees C below zero? What would be the temperature at midnight? At first you try to understand the question, what he says. द टेम्परेचर एट 12 नून, दोपहर 12 बजे तापमान 0 डिग्री से ऊपर था, 10 डिग्री था। 12 बजे, दोपहर 12 बजे तापमान 0 डिग्री सी से ऊपर +10 डिग्री सी था। इफ़ इट डिक्रीजेज एट द रेट ऑफ 2 डिग्री सी पर आवर, यदि वह प्रति घंटे 2 डिग्री सी की दर से तापमान घटता है मध्य रात्रि तक, until midnight, at what time would the temperature be 8 डिग्री सी? तो किस समय तापमान 8 डिग्री सी होगा, बिलो जीरो? कब तापमान शून्य से नीचे 8 डिग्री सी होगा? एंड व्हाट वुड बी द टेम्परेचर एट मिडनाइट, और मध्य रात्रि का तापमान क्या होगा? हियर वी आर गिवन टेम्परेचर एट नून, temperature at noon is equal to +10 degree C. We are given and the required temperature is equal to -8 degree C, because it is decreasing. Temperature is decreasing at the rate of 2 degree C per hour. So the required temperature is -8 degree C. Total decrease in temperature. The total decrease in temperature is equal to 10 degree C -8 degree C. -8 degree C is equal to 18 degree C. Total decrease in the temperature is equal to 18 degree C. Let the decrease of let the temperature decrease. Let the temperature decrease in let the temperature decrease to 18 degree C be L hours. मान लिया कि 18 डिग्री सी तापमान गिरने में उसे n घंटे का समय लगता है, एंड द रेट ऑफ decreasing is equal to 2 degree C per hour. 2 degree C per hour so the time, so 2n बराबर, इसलिए 2n बराबर 18 डिग्री सी या n बराबर 18 डिग्री सी बाई 2 इज इक्वल टू is equal to 9. It means that after 9 hours the temperature will be 18 degrees C. At 9 p.m. hence the time is equal to 9 p.m. and you are asked to what would be the temperature at midnight. So the temperature at midnight. So the temperature at midnight is equal to 10 degree C, 10 degree C, temperature at noon is given 10 degree C plus, above 0 degree, so we write plus 10 degree C. Temperature at noon was plus 10 degree C, and required temperature is equal to minus 8 degree C. So the total decrease in temperature बराबर 10 degree C minus 8 degree C बराबर 18 degree C. Let the temperature decrease to 18 degree C be n hours. मान लिया कि n घंटे के बाद तापमान 18 डिग्री सी होता है, and the rate of decreasing is equal to 2 degree C. So according to question, 2 degree C into n बराबर 18 डिग्री C या n बराबर 18/2 बराबर 9. So after 9 PM the temperature decreased to 18 degree C. Hence the temperature at midnight is equal to temperature at noon was 10 degree C, minus decreasing at the rate of 2 degree C. After 12 hours the temperature was minus 24 degree C. So temperature at midnight is equal to 10 degree C minus 24 degree C बराबर minus 14 degree C. So the temperature at midnight will be minus 14 degree C. Question number 6. And are also problem 7 number and 8 number. Try to solve next two questions, 7 number and 8 number. If you will not able to solve the question, then I will solve question number 7 and 8 in next class, but you will try to solve yourself. Thank you.